Okay, let's have a look at the answers to these puzzles. First, let's tackle the easy one. Here we go again. White to play and mate in 1. Great. These are the squares we need to look at. We have to check any squares with white pieces because the black king might be able to escape by taking them. The knight attacks one of the squares, and the bishops attack the other squares, including defending the knight. We might think about moving the bishop out of the way, so the rook can attack the black king. But then the bishop couldn't cover both d7 and f7. So let's look for a better idea. This knight can give check. Yes, that's a better idea. And if you remember this checkmate pattern, then the medium puzzle will be quite easy. So with that clue, can we work out the answer? These are the squares we need to look at. You can see that the knights do a good job, 4 squares dealt with, and the bishops are bound to be helpful too. Only d2 is safe. So where do we start? The bishop is defended by the knight, so white has to move the king to the safe square. And now we can bring the other bishop in. Defended by the other knight. So we are left with just the hard puzzle to solve, and it looks like this might be a job for the bishops and knight too, although the rook offers some help by patrolling the h-file. The knight covers f7, so at the moment f8 is the only safe square. Bishop takes pawn looks like the obvious place to start. The king has to move to the safe square. Right, let's take another look at the black king. These are the possible escape squares now. The bishop we just moved covers 2 squares, and the knight covers another one, leaving e7 as the only escape square now. Okay, what next? Well, there are 2 possible checks to think about. This rook check is defended by the bishop, which leaves us with this knight check. In a real game, of course, this thinking has to go on in your head. Black has to move the king again. Time to have another look at the black king. These are the squares we need to look at now. Most of them are covered, leaving d8 as the escape square this time. Can we attack along this diagonal? Yes, we can. The black bishop can block, but with the knight attacking f6 as well, the bishop can give checkmate.